Hi everyone, it's Justine. Today I'm going to open up door number 19 for the Crafty Advent Calendar from Spellbinders. So let's see what's inside. Ooh, congratulations, a stamp set. Alright, so we have another stamp set, and this font is very similar to the other stamp set. Was that day 13? Haha, it was. So you can see that that kind of goes together. So you could even mix and match. You could even have congratulations until further notice, celebrate everything. Just saying. Anyway, let's get some paper here to show you the full stamp. So we have congratulations. We have I'm so thrilled for you. There is so much to celebrate. And finally, you deserve this. Okay, just looking at these, I just wonder if these would fit on the banner dies from day 11. Let's see. They would. Okay. Like I said, ideas are flowing. That would be so cool. You could even do the Make-A-Wish on the banner die too. I wonder if they planned that. If not, way to go. If they did, you're a genius. Spellbinders, designer people. Anyway, this is really neat. And I can always use a stamp for congratulations because I do make quite a few graduation cards. And this could even work for a new job, a wedding card, really anything, even encouragement. Or happy birthday, you deserve this, and then give them like a gift card or something, or a very special present. That would be pretty neat. Anyway, there is day number 19. We only have a couple days left until Christmas. We have 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, and that would bring us to Christmas Eve. So stick on my channel here and subscribe for the next couple days. Thanks for watching. Bye.